say you get money. This kind environment you call dey live.
Abeg come na Lagos you come o.
Which kind of Lagos be this one? Wait first no nonsense me. First where I dey talk about you tell me say you get money well say you get flat.
Wait make the person come outside you go know say na.
See house where dey knack na no be see Capello no fit stay there. I'm not talk say Capello go stay there.
Who dey break my door?
No Capello na. I no talk say Capello go stay there.
Who be that?
Capello no fit
I just dey do the allow me make I focus now. I don't know, rapper. You just dey dey sleep. Me, I dey dey reason on how we go take get better thing for future. You just dey dey sleep.
You dey the person wey wan get better thing for future.
No you welcome me say I dey read.
You welcome me say make I come from village. When I dey village, I no dey suffer like this. You call me say make I come visit you say
na you first come
like this. Na person wey get money na like this you dey. You carry me comot from village na dey village dey get my money small dey chop dey feed myself but you don carry me come sit down for here now na garri wey I bring since now na that garri we still dey chop. I don't know whether I never chop that garri finish now. Don carry me come here dey suffer dey say you get money.
I don't say
which kind scam face like
that. I dey do gree like this na hungry dey hungry. Go back of that place garri dey there carry am come here with
the garri still man. You chop garri dey.
That water why I keep inside that cup. That water na the only water I remember. I know say hungry.
So garri still dey there. Garri dey. Hey, God allow me dey back you now.
You hungry. Hey, go bring am.
Water dey ba?
That water wey inside that cup na only the water wey dey down.
So garri dey na dey allow me dey talk.
Sugar sef dey inside the garri. I know say as we take the sugar wey dey see na by see ba.
See but wait to see. If not this garri wey I bring now, tell me now. I for take the chop all this.
That way you never bring am, I no dey survive. You even ask me say I take dey survive before you come. See na time you come o. You need to open your eye, open face.
No, if tell me before I come for village.
You know say me I know that. Me I know say
as I dey village, but how she tell me say money no too dey, but me I know say I go gather money. I fit ma carry money come say I go take blessing for 1 year. And now get where I come me say if I come back now, if I come back from where I go like this now, I go if I go village, I go marry and carry a contact.
Okay, this is no go make am.
I want take do am now.
This is no go make am.
You know the kind mouth wey I make for my friend. Where I come sit down for here dey chop garri.
You no see me dey read Bible since.
Wetin dey read Bible before?
Make we drink pour garri for water. I know say if you dey hungry, you no dey see where your.
You don see all the mouth wey I don make for.
I don come finish all the garri, we no go drink tomorrow.
All the mouth wey I don make for my friend. You know my friend Soma.
I know.
Na that guy dey cook food dey give me the chop. See if you see the kind mouth wey I make for that guy. Hey, see abeg.
How many times you make?
Put down.
See you go make am for you. No say I dey read Bible see.
How is that?
Yesterday.
I don't know.
Yesterday.
As I'm a day like this, I want find I don't know how to take get transport for don't go.
You know say this day pastors dey get money well.
Pastor, how they take the do am?
I wan preach church.
You sabi preach?
Where is me dey do is yesterday.
You know when you dey village, you know they go church. Now as you come here now, you want tell me say na pastor opposite.
See make I tell you ba.
Na me and you wan do the pastor work, abi na only you? Na only you go do am. I go gree, but me and you do am, no go do am. I want to do the pastor sef.
Now I get now. Now go tell you. You now ba. Me now see now I go be the pastor now. I go be. You know say me no be the big pastor. I no fit eat person. And if you no dey eat, member no go come your church. You know ba. So we go.
Na fake pastor I wan do.
Wait now, you go dey go junction by junction. You go dey claim say either you go claim say you blind for one place, you go claim say you no fit dey waka, I go just come, I go pray, you go stand up. People wey dey pass now, they go give us money.
So
they go turn my member.
No, I don go turn to people dey waka. No, I go turn to blind person.
You go just sit down for one place. No be say I wan turn to people, just dey form man.
Which kind life be this? Which kind life I come enter like this?
Na wa for you. Na make me you see by now you be bad luck since when you come everything just come.
No be back you dey go. How many years now I don comot for village now.
na you fit rent house you no be your father house you dey stay you fit rent
That's why
house.
be say landlord dey come knock every day. E dey shout say e dey rent house. When landlord dey disturb every day.
the landlord come collect the money see that landlord don tasa the fucker.
Landlord abeg I no wan hear that man. Tell me wetin you go do. Tell me wetin you go do. Me I don tire for this guy wey I disturb every day.
make we start am.
The cripple.
yes make we start am.
Make you be pastor.
no worry no fear na me know where I go dey carry big men na there we dey go.
I wan take car God.
you ready abi you no ready.
God. If na so the money go take come. Most man do am one day. If money no dey. And see if we do am first day we go get like 5k.
you wan do am.
I go do we go get like how much we fit get in a day.
you fit get 10,000 naira 15,000
naira.
no before I go see you see me say I go borrow this bible for that girl that landlord daughter o. I go borrow bible.
Oya now. I wan take start am. Mo start am this today like this now.
you get plan make you set plan I no dey do something without plan.
I see me as I dey like this now my body wan go. I don go start am today o. If you do am now this garri wey remain I go throw am for outside. I go throw this garri now.
me I go dey drink garri.
Abeg mo do. Which day wan start am now?
we go that fire junction.
Fire
junction that place na people full there you know say na people wey dey sing dey dey there na.
no be say your cash out dem go throw us for fire.
no.
Real fire no dey there ba.
na people wey dey sing na dem full there.
See tomorrow na wetin go do na plate abi na wetin.
and na me we make tomorrow reach.
Abeg make tomorrow. I no go chop this garri again sef. I no go chop garri again. Guy I don get joy. I no go chop again.